Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I want to ask you about what chargers do you use for charging your lipos for flying your drones. We have the Isdt Q6 Nano. This is a real nice one. I like that one. You have to get an optional power supply, which isn't bad, but it charges really good at like 4 amps. Anything over 4 amps, I wouldn't recommend this to power it. Then we have the Isdt 60 BAC. This thing's really nice. This comes with its own power supply. It slides off like that, so you can, power it like that, or power it straight from like your battery from your car. It's been a real nice one. So then we picked this guy up. This is for charging basically the big truck batteries and car batteries that we have, because these guys will do it, but they take a little bit of time. Now this guy will throw out 10 amps per channel, and the only downfall of this for drones is that this doesn't do storage charging or anything else. This is straight a charger, balance charger. But other than that, it's, you do to expect that for charging the larger batteries. And it's like an unboxing thing here we got going on. So I'm gonna pull it out here. There's what you're looking at. It does 2 at a time, and like I said, it's like a beginner's charger is what they like to think of it. It's the Isdt K1 smart charger. It can be powered through AC or DC, which I always like that option, and I hear that they do real well on the DC side of things. So this is for the bigger batteries. We have the 50, I think there's 5600 or 6500 milliamp hour 4S packs that we use, and then we have 5200 milliamp hour 3S packs we use. So, obviously these little guys would take a long time to get them there. Now, the only downfall of Isdt chargers is you will need optional cords. So I picked up this guy off Amazon. There's a lot on here I don't use, so I just put the ends on as I need them, and I just switch them out. So this is for my Arma cars. Obviously I can use this for lipos. We have the little JST connector. You always fall into that for like your transmitters, or just something you're in general have the little battery for. This servo one, man, we can nip that in the butt and pull that off. The Deans, well, I always leave that. You never know when you need that. But these other two, and I do Russell, my son, does airsoft, so this works for his airsoft, so that's a plus to keep on there. And then other than that, this Losi connector I don't think I'd ever use for anything, or the mini E5. So like I said, just do that. Now I put this end on it so you can plug it into the Isdt charger, because obviously if it's got the 2 poles, it's not gonna work for you. So get your cables. Remember, have a cable set up. This is for the car, doing the TX, the Trax's connectors. I forget the name of all the connectors, but so just remember, have your own cord set up. And I bought these off Amazon too as a pair, and I just put the 2 XT60s on it. That makes it work. So I wanted to share that, and just wanted to know, what chargers do you guys use? I was with the Venom Duo charger. That kind of got to where the fan started making noise, and it just stopped charging on me. So what do you guys use? Let me pull this guy out, show you here. This guy's cool. This is like a little pocket charger. And actually in my car I have the XT60 plugged into what was on that? I had the XT60 plugged in, so I just plug in my battery. I just plug it in here, set this in the back of the car, and I can charge as I'm flying. So that's the point of that. They all have like their goals. I like the fact of these, because if you have a lipo that's the balance on each cell is not right, you can actually calibrate it and actually dial that cell in, save it. And yeah, so I kind of like Isdt, and that's what I've been pulled towards. So yeah, what charger are you guys using? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're using Isdt. Which one are you using? How do you like it? How does it work? Have you had any problems with Isdt? This guy, man, I could say that sometimes it seemed a little off, but I'm going to blame it on the power bank, because once this guy gets hot, you can almost imagine how something's going to function if it's not getting proper power. So think about that, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. This I'm going to steal from Props Off. So if you hung around, this is Birdman's Alien. You guys know Birdman 316? link in description down below. Go check out his channel. Mike does all kinds of stuff over there. And then this guy we have is just TBS Source 1 I had laying around, and then I gave the camera plates away one time, and I thought, well, let me do something with it. So I was on Thingiverse, saw them, and went ahead and printed them out, and I'm gonna call it black and blue. We're gonna put some Zing E motors on it. It's gonna have a dowel. It's gonna be a 4S quad. So, hey, thank you guys for watching. And tell Birdman you got a sneak peek of his quad.